Hey little makers, today we're going to be making magician hats. Bippity boppity boo. So the materials that you're going to need is a paper plate, a container like this, a ruler, a white piece of paper, and 3 black pieces of paper, depending on how much you need for your hat. Oh, and you definitely need a hot glue gun and scissors. Let's get started. So we're gonna trace this so then you can put it on the top of your hat. Let's cut it out and set it to the side. If you need your mom or dad's help, you can totally go ask them. Here's our circle, now let's put it to the side. So now we're gonna measure our container. You're gonna put your ruler here. It is roughly 5 inches. So now that we know that it is 5 inches, we need to measure both of our black pieces of paper. Now stick your pieces of paper together. Don't actually stick them together though. So then we can cut them at the same time. Sure they're stuck together, and we're going to wrap. So this is when you're gonna need your hot glue gun to attach it, and you're gonna go super fast, dries fast. Put this on here, and you're going to glue it. Now we're gonna put the top on. Find the right spot, section by section. So here, glue it. I already made mine, but you guys can pick how long you want it to be. Fold your paper in half, and then we're gonna cut it. And now we're gonna set the scrap aside and bring this back. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and we're gonna glue it. But like we did for the black, you're going to glue these together first. Trace the base on the middle of your plate. So now, I want you guys to cut here in the middle, a little circle, and then I want you to cut lines all the way to where you have traced your bigger circle. I've gone ahead and cut everything, and now we're going to put we're going to put this on. Now you're going to flip it upside down, and with these, you can glue it onto the sides. You're going to take them up. You're gonna glue it. Put it down. Make sure you do opposite sides. So if you did this side, then you're gonna go to that side. So then it stays right in the middle. Now that it's glued to the top, we're going to paint the rim.
Why don't you keep your artwork forever in your very own digital portfolio in the Artebula app? This way, you can see how much you've improved. Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.